स्वागत है आपका आध्यात्म लोक में। भक्ति की यात्रा जारी रखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें। Hello kids, do you remember in our last story we heard about little Hanumanji who thought the sun was a big fruit? That was so funny and exciting, right? Today I have another magical story for you. It's about one of the biggest festivals in India, Navratri, which lasts for 9 days and ends with a grand celebration called Dasera. But do you know why we celebrate Navratri for 9 days? And what is the meaning of Dasera? Let's go on this story adventure together. Long ago, there lived a demon named Mahishasura. His name itself means buffalo demon. He was very strong and tricky. Mahishasura did a lot of meditation and prayed to Lord Brahma. Lord Brahma was pleased and asked him, "What boon do you want?" Mahishasura said, "Make me so powerful that no man or god can kill me." Brahma granted the boon. Mahishasura thought, now I am safe forever, because who will send a woman to fight me? He became very arrogant. Soon he attacked heaven, defeated the gods and became king of all three worlds, heaven, earth and the underworld. The gods were very sad and helpless. They went to Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva. "Please save us," they prayed. Then something amazing happened. A bright light came out of Lord Vishnu, Shiva and Brahma. The light spread everywhere and combined into the form of a beautiful glowing goddess. She was Ma Durga. She had 10 arms, and in each arm she carried a special weapon given by the gods: a trident, a sword, a bow, a discus, a conch, and many more. She rode a lion that roared so loud that it shook the earth. The gods knew, this is the Shakti, the power, who will defeat Mahishasura. Ma Durga went to fight Mahishasura. When Mahishasura saw her, he laughed loudly. "Ha ha ha, a woman! How can she fight me?" But soon he realized she was not an ordinary woman. She was powerful, brave, and full of divine energy. The battle went on and on. For 9 days and nights, Ma Durga fought Mahishasura. Sometimes he changed forms, a lion, an elephant, a buffalo. But Ma Durga was stronger every time. Finally, on the 10th day, Ma Durga struck Mahishasura with her trident and defeated him. Evil was destroyed and peace returned to the world. That's why, kids, we celebrate Navratri for 9 days. Each day is dedicated to one form of Ma Durga called Nav Durga. Let me tell you about them one by one. 1. Shailputri, daughter of the Himalayas, symbol of strength. 2. Brahmacharini, the goddess of wisdom and meditation. 3. Chandraghanta, with a shining moon on her head, she makes us fearless. 4. Kushmanda, creator of the universe with her divine smile. 5. Skandamata, loving mother of Lord Kartikeya, symbol of mother's love. 6. Katyayani, the brave warrior who destroys demons. 7. Kalaratri, dark and powerful who removes negativity and fear. 8. Mahagauri, beautiful, calm and pure, bringing peace. 9. Siddhidatri, the goddess who blesses us with powers and success. So kids, each day of Navratri is like celebrating a different superpower of Ma Durga. And what about the 10th day? That day is called Vijayadashmi or Dasera. On this day, another great victory of good over evil is remembered, the story of Lord Rama and Ravana. Ravana, the demon king with 10 heads, had kidnapped Ma Sita. Lord Rama, with the help of Hanumanji and his army, fought a huge battle and finally defeated Ravana on Vijayadashmi. That's why even today people celebrate Dasera by burning the big effigies of Ravana, Meghnath and Kumbhakarna. It reminds us that no matter how powerful evil looks, good always wins in the end. But kids, Navratri is not only about prayers, it's also about fun and dance. People play Garba and Dandiya in Gujarat and other parts of India. Garba is a dance where people move in a circle around a lamp or an idol of Ma Durga. The circle represents the cycle of life, birth, life, death and rebirth. Just like the circle never ends, life also keeps moving with Ma Durga's blessings. Dancing Garba is like celebrating life itself while remembering the divine power of the goddess. And do you know, kids, in Telangana, during Navratri, people celebrate a special festival called Bathukamma. In this festival, women and girls make beautiful flower arrangements, stacking them like a big cone. These flowers are offered to goddess Gauri, another form of Ma Durga. People sing songs, dance around the Bathukamma, and finally immerse the flowers in a lake or river, thanking nature for giving us beauty, food, and life. Bathukamma means Mother Goddess come alive. It is a way of celebrating life, nature, and the Divine Mother's blessings. So kids, both stories, Ma Durga's victory over Mahishasura and Lord Rama's victory over Ravana, teach us the same lesson. With courage, truth, and goodness, we can defeat any problem in life. And with the blessings of our gods and goddesses, we are never alone. So next time you see Garba, colorful dresses, Bathukamma flowers, or the burning of Ravana, remember the powerful stories behind these celebrations. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting mythological and cultural stories for kids. Jai Mata Di, Jai Shri Ram.